Hello to all, I am Dr. Vishnu. So in this video I am going to explain to you about type 1 diabetes versus type 2 diabetes. So basically you know very well that in diabetes we always talk about two substances. One is insulin and the other is glucose. So let's understand how they function. So when glucose level is elevated in the blood due to any reason, insulin gets released from the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans of the pancreas. So what does this insulin do? This insulin will take the glucose from the blood and put it inside the cell so that the cell can utilize glucose and produce energy for our day-to-day activities. Now what happens in type 1 diabetes? In type 1 diabetes, there is autoimmune destruction of beta cells. So basically, insulin is not produced at all. And that is why in type 1 diabetes, the treatment of choice is insulin. In type 2 diabetes, what happens is beta cells are almost intact, but either the quantity of insulin produced is not sufficient or the quantity is sufficient but it is not potent enough. That is why this condition is also known as insulin resistance.